Hello, boys and girls, ladies and gents. Welcome back to another vlog, another vloggy vlog from what a beautiful day to be out on a bike. Gorgeous. It's like 25 degrees. Sun is shining. We're out for a cruise. My buddy there in front of me is Steve. He's on his 2025 ZX6. You got it in white. Odd color, but it looks killer. Very nice. Gonna head up to Highway 7 over here and head east. So I'm trying something new with the audio now. I have a body strap, and I'm wearing a body strap, and I have the Tascam mounted on my back. Hopefully this will reduce wind noise. And seeing how the Tascam is not under the seat, I hope the exhaust note isn't as muffled as it was before. I also set up the mic 2 for my voice, -12 on the volume, and also the clipping control is on. Not really worried about ambient noise on the mic, the mic mini. Thought this was going to be a nice chill ride. He's excited because he got the bike back. So we got more than 20 months. So it's all good. Bike is fixed, and he's enjoying it. So yeah, talking about the Tascam, so it's strapped on my back, and the mic mini that you hear my voice from is set on all the way down on the volume, so you should be just hearing my voice coming from the mic mini. Any ambient noise and exhaust note coming from the Tascam. So we'll see how this works. See how it turns out. It's a perfect day for a ride. Perfect temperature, perfect conditions, perfect drivers pulling out in front of you. All good.